All right, so as you can see, I'm doing the keypad uh, entry lock, and I've got my LCD, my distance sensor, my keypad, a couple LED lights, because my servo was giving me some issues. So I've got a red LED and a green LED, my buzzer potentiometer, 9-volt battery, uh, power supply. So to start off, you can tell that the LCD doesn't have anything on it. So when you wave your hand in front of the distance sensor, that'll cut on for a short period of time and then cut back off. And you can keep doing this. Wave your hand in front of the distance sensor. It's back on, asking for the enter code. Do that one more time. All right, so go ahead and enter the correct code. And wave your hand in front of the sensor. All right, that was the correct code. It says access granted. The green LED displays. And now I'm going to do an incorrect code. So get in front of the sensor, enter code. All right, let's try that one more time. So the incorrect code, the LCD displays access denied. And the red LED stays on. All right, enter code. And that was the wrong code again. So just to give you an idea. And you can keep doing that until you do eventually enter the correct code. So that's it. And I believe my distance sensor is set up to about a foot away. So once you would get about a foot away from the safe, I'm sorry, actually I changed it. I made it a little less. So yeah, that's my project. Take care.